Hey, here's what you really need to know about home prices and interest rates. Hello, this is Frank Kenny of Living in Los Angeles, South Bay, and welcome. This video is about the latest information regarding home prices and mortgage interest rates. Now, there's a lot of information in the media these days about these two topics. Some is good, and a lot of it is clickbait. The most unfortunate part of this to me is that many buyers that are able to buy are simply sitting on the sidelines waiting for prices and rates to drop. Sadly for them, this isn't going to happen anytime soon, and there's no evidence out there indicating this will happen. It's just an empty hope and certainly not based on reality. Now, before I get into the details of prices and rates, I'd like to ask you to please like and subscribe to this video channel so that you're sure to get the next important video discussing details on real estate areas we serve. Okay, there are at least two major housing market factors that are front and center for buyers and sellers alike, and that is home prices and mortgage rates. And deciding to move now or wait is the question. The answer lies in what you believe is going to happen with prices and interest rates, and whether you want to just get over with the process or wait and see. Now, here's what experts are saying about prices and rates. What is the trend in home prices? According to the most recent information, experts are projecting home prices will continue to rise at least through 2028. Now, check out this chart. It's for 5 years, and of course, anything can happen, but the bottom line is expect increases of about 4% per year. And this will vary depending on where in the country you are doing your transaction. Typically, the East and West Coasts have the higher rates of appreciation. Now, what does that mean for your move? If you buy now, your home will likely grow in value and you should gain equity in the years ahead. And based on these forecasts, if you wait and prices continue to climb, the price of a home will only be higher later on. When will mortgage rates come down? Well, everybody is wondering this, and to me the answer seems simple. First of all, rates are not high as they are hovering at about a 30-year average. That just seems high because we all got used to rates below 5%. I believe we won't see rates below 5% for at least the next 4 to 5 years, if even then. According to Odetta Kushi, Deputy Chief Economist at First American, every month brings a new set of inflation and labor data that can influence the direction of mortgage rates. Ongoing inflation, deceleration, a slowing economy, and even geopolitical uncertainty can contribute to lower mortgage rates. On the other hand, data that signals upside risk to inflation may result in higher rates. So yes, rates could continue to increase. Personally, I don't see rates coming down at all in 2024, and even if they did, it would be minimal, say perhaps 0.25%, not enough to make a dent in the mortgage payment. I believe this because inflation is still way too high, then there is an election, and then at the end of the year, I believe inflation will still be high. There just isn't enough time to make a dent in the mortgage rate given the risk of inflation moving yet higher. I believe the Fed will stay put. So what about 2025? Well, honestly, the same story as 2024 is what I believe. The bottom line is that if inflation does not slow down as they have been hoping, at best rates will stay where they are. That said, beware and ready if you're a buyer. As soon as rates do budge down, you will have much more competition from other buyers for every house, which in effect will begin to push prices up at a higher rate. Can you as a home buyer win? Well, yes, many home buyers have. And as a side note, nationwide home values have increased 315% since 1991, and values have increased over 40% since 2018. The superior decision will be to accept the market for what it is, buy the best home that works for you now. This way you can take advantage of the appreciation of values as they happen, and you can refinance if and when rates drop low enough for you. Now, the second best thing you can do if you want to wait is keep your credit crystal clean, your income excellent, and your debts low. And most of all, be in close contact with your mortgage professional and your realtor so you can be ready to pounce on a home as soon as you see it. Unfortunately, if you get comfy and slip onto the sidelines waiting, well, you may never be able to buy a home. I always say you can't win a game if you aren't playing. Okay, well there you have it, the latest update on rates and home prices. You can see that the choice is yours, but if you choose to exit the market, you certainly can't win, and as a result will probably never be able to buy a home if you aren't in the game. Those that stay in the game will absolutely win. Please like and subscribe so you are sure to receive our next video about living in Los Angeles, South Bay. keeping you updated on the local housing market. Have a great day and watch for our next video. And you can comment below or reach out to us and discuss your specific scenario. All right, see you on the next video.